Where is India's first glass suspension bridge, Bajrang Setu, being built? Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. Where was the foundation stone laid for India's first drone city? Urvakonda, Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh. In which state is India's first Dugong Conservation Reserve located? Tamil Nadu, brackets, Park Bay. Which state will build India's first underwater tunnel? Kerala, brackets, between Willenden Island and Fort Kochi. Which district became India's first officially child marriage-free district? Balod district, Chhattisgarh. Which Indian state became the first to tie up with Starlink? Maharashtra. Where is India's first digital museum of tribal freedom fighters located? Nava Raipur, Atal Nagar, Chhattisgarh. Where was India's first Tesla center opened? Gurugram, Haryana. Which country enforced the world's first generational smoking ban? Maldives. Which country became the world's first cashless nation? Sweden. Which state became the first in India to introduce paid menstrual leave? Karnataka. Where did India Post launch its first G20-themed campus post office? IIT Delhi. Which state became the first in India to be declared free from extreme poverty? Kerala. Where was India's first multi-lane free-flow tolling system launched? Gujarat, on NH48. Which country appointed the world's first AI cabinet minister? Albania. Where was India's first tapered glass factory for mobile devices launched? Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Which city launched India's first QR-based digital house address system? Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Where was India's first wooden Gurudwara opened? Fazilka, Punjab. Which is India's first ISO-certified police station? Arthunkal Police Station, Kerala. Which state became the first to use Face ID technology for ration distribution? Himachal Pradesh. What is the name of Asia's longest freight train recently trial conducted by Indian Railways? Rudrastra. Which state became India's first fully digitally literate state? Kerala. Which country launched Right Bank, the world's first AI-powered bank? Malaysia. Where did Indian Railways install its first removable solar panel system between railway tracks? Varanasi. Which village has been declared India's first smart intelligent village? Satanavari, Nagpur district, Maharashtra.